In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System section at the bottom. Thanks to it, you can click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now select Text Correction, and when you're ready, use gray switcher next to Souch Regestion Strip at the very top to activate it. When switcher next to it is on, you can go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!